Hey, great question. Let me answer it so I walk you through on how our product can help you on this. So you can search for the MCP server Telegram here, Telegram bot server. So you can click on install and then it will allow you to connect to your Telegram. So for your use case, actually is like you can need to schedule an agent that able to connect to your Telegram bot and post to your channel. So what you can do is that you go into your agent, you click edit agent, and then you click add an MCP here. So right now I don't have the Telegram here yet, but after you install the Telegram, you should be able to connect. And then perhaps that when you are chatting with agent here, it will be able to chat your Telegram directly. And later on, when we are introducing the scheduled assistant of the Telegram, so you can connect to agent directly. So tier 1 can have you using MCP, but if you will apply to tier 3, then you will have the access to our native Telegram integration, which is coming soon on this part. And then when you have that, and then you can integrate with the agent itself, or even like you can build a workflow with the agent Telegram node as well in this part. You can create a workflow like Telegram bot, and then later on you can add a new step of the Telegram item in here as well, together with other action item that we have in here. Okay, thanks a lot. Hope that's clear.